So this is a quick technique for getting rid of very prominent dark eye circles or bags under the eyes. We are all human, and it's okay that we have those things. But sometimes, if we're photoshopping pictures of ourselves, or for a friend, or for a client, it's nice to present people kind of on their best day, as if they were well rested. So these are the steps in how to do it. So if you have an image and you've already cleaned up the skin, so they look as they do on their best day, and done any other changes, you want to do those things first, and then you duplicate the layer. So I'm going to right click and duplicate layer, and I'll call this cheek eye. And then on this layer, I use my patch tool and I circle the under eye areas and I drag them down to the cheek, hence the name cheek eye. And you may notice that she doesn't look as real anymore, right? Because we are humans and we have eye sockets, and we should, have those eye sockets visible. Our cheeks don't go straight up to our eyes. So this looks very fake, while this looks a little bit tired. So then the final step that we can do is to take that cheek eye layer and lower the opacity. So you get a little bit of the real layer coming through, so that that eye socket is evident, but we look a little bit more rested than we did in real life. So again, make any edits that you need to initially to the picture, duplicate that layer, then you need to use the patch tool under the eyes, drag it down to the cheek. It'll be too smooth, so you want to lower the opacity on that cheek eye layer to make the person look more real and like they actually have eye sockets.